Have you been throwing up your pineapple skin? Let me show you what you can do with pineapple skin. So I have a fresh pineapple. I already washed. Please remember to wash this pineapple thoroughly because we are going to be needing this skin. So I'll start by cutting my fresh pineapple. I'll show you what I normally use pineapple skin for at home. It's very refreshing drink and you are going to love it. Please watch this video to the end to know this simple, unique recipe is also perfect for weight loss. I'm going to tell you briefly benefit of this pineapple skin. So let's start by cutting our pineapple. I normally use this method to cut my pineapple. It's very fast and it's very easy for me to do this method. Gently put your knife between the skin and the pineapple and just cut straight. Then start dicing to the shape you want. It's very easy, just the way I'm doing the video. I can do no amount of pineapple in this method and it's very fast for me to cut my pineapple. So let's go straight to our pineapple skin drink that I'm trying to prepare with you. I'm going to step this aside. Please remember to watch my pineapple lemonade. It's coming very soon in my next video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updated when I upload this video, my next video, and please share this video as well. So you just dice it freely. It does not really need to have a perfect shape. So I'm going to transfer it into a saucepan. As I said, please leave comment in the comment section if you have any question regarding this recipe. So I'll be using lemon. You can use lime as well. So I'll just rub it gently on the surface just the way I do in the video. Cut in half, then juice to get lime juice. So I'm using lemon, as you know. You can also use lime. Both work perfectly for this recipe. So I'll be cutting the skin as well and add it into the saucepan to cook with my pineapple. So I'm using pineapple skin and lemon skin as well for this recipe. Please let me know what you think about this recipe, and it tastes good. You are going to enjoy it, and I'm also going to tell you the benefits of this. So I'm going to go ahead and add water to cook this, as much water as you can. So I'll add extra water. Then I'm going to be using a handful of fresh meat. You can dice this, but I prefer using it this way. Please remember to wash all your ingredients. Then I'll put it in the stove top and cook until everything is well boiled. You are going to love the smell of it once it starts boiling. So briefly benefits and what you can use this drink for. You can use it to prepare your weight loss drink. Maybe if you are trying to lose weight, you want to add some water to your bed weight loss drink, you can use this and you can store it in the refrigerator as long as you want. So I'm going to sieve this because there are a lot of particles, so you want that clean, nice taste drink of pineapple tea, pineapple skin tea. Oh god, this tastes good. So I'm going to add my lime juice. So you can use, as I said, either lemon or lime is perfect, but you just need to juice it yourself. Please serve. You can also add honey to this to enjoy it. I like taking mine warm and it's very good. You can take it twice a day. That's before breakfast and after dinner. You can store it as long as you want, and you can also use to prepare pineapple juice. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.